there and welcome to today's video. My name is Julie and I'm from the Paper Haven and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. And today I want to share with you, it's the first time that I'm allowed to share the inside of the new catalogues, and I wanted to do a walkthrough video for my YouTube channel of the Sale-A-Bration brochure. Now the Sale-A-Bration promotion starts today, Tuesday the 3rd of August, and runs until the 30th of September 2021. And for every £45 that you spend, you can earn free items. But you can also earn free things for placing a large order or hosting your own party or workshop. And you can also earn free items for joining Stampin' Up too. So I want to go through those things with you as well. So first things first, this is our front cover with a few sneak peeks of the freebies on the front. I don't have all of them, so I will be sharing my faves with you. So on the first page, we have a little bit about Sale-A-Bration. Choose a free Sale-A-Bration product with every £45 or £90 you spend. Okay, so some are £45 purchases and some are the £90 purchases. So first up here we have the Bedazzling speciality paper. It's not paper, it's thick, it's really thick and it's card. But it's 8 sheets of 6x6 and it's really stunning. It's in a champagne colour. So it's not gold and it's not silver, it's sort of in between. Really gorgeous there. I'm sure you can see it shimmering. So you get 8 sheets of that. Now less is more with this. You don't need a lot of this on your project. So that's the first item. So you want to look for these free little circles, free with 45 purchase. Yep. And then my favourite, we have the Penguin Playmates papers. And as you can see from this array of gorgeous cards here, there's loads of ideas for how you can use these papers in your projects. Now the papers do coordinate, and it says here, with the Penguin Place bundle that you can find in the mini catalogue. Now please see my other video for a walkthrough of this catalogue. These are the products, the stamp set and punch that these papers coordinate with, but these you do have to purchase, they're not free. So here are the papers. They are 12 by 12 in size, and the colours that coordinate with them are Fresh Freesia, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Soft Sea Foam, which is this really pale green that you can see here, Calypso Coral, which is the colour of the fox, Basic Black, of course, and Balmy Blue. Now, the papers have got pattern on one side with the creatures. Some of them, the creatures are larger, so you can cut them out. And then on the back, they have a stripe or a spot or a more graphic pattern rather than pictures to cut out. Then you've also got these little images in between that are useful. Gorgeous stripes there. So they're really fresh and funky colours for the festive period. But these colours could be used on any kind of birthday cards. Then you have some smaller patterns which are really good for backgrounds and scenes. You could cut those out too if you were loving the cutting. And then you've got the lovely backgrounds on the other side. And then we have another sort of scene one, and my favourite, the spotty background. And there we have our set of 12 by 12 papers, and they are free for every £45 you spend. So if you spent 45 in August and in September, you could get a pack each month if you really loved them. On to the next page. I don't actually have this stamp set. We've got Feels Like Home. It's a lovely artistic image here, very nice and sketchy, doing this front door with some lovely plants. I quite like that front door, and a nice bike and hanging basket. So it's nice for those who love colouring. There's a few samples here. And then we have the beautifully penned designer series paper. Now these coordinate with the hand penned petals bundle, which has been really popular from the main catalogue. which I've did a coffee and card on, and I've got lots of samples on my YouTube channel. And these are the papers now. These are black and white, so they're great for colouring in. And you get 12 sheets, but you get 4 each of the 3 designs. So you've got a nice scallopy one, and then you've got a floral one. You do get 4, I've just turned off an extra one. Then you've got a stripe, always useful, and they're like a watercoloury background. On the other side of the stripe, you've got these, which are very, very useful for colouring in and then cutting out. And then here you've got a nice sort of leaf background, 4 sheets again. And then on the other side, you've got gorgeous spots. I love that background. I think these will be really, really popular for those who have got the hand-penned bundle and who love the colouring in. And you can see lots of nice ideas here for making projects with them. Next we have a free pack of peaceful prints. Now I don't have these ones. These are a 12 by 12 paper too, and they coordinate with the Peaceful Deer bundle from the mini catalogue. And it always tells you the page number as well. Next up we have the counting sheet. Now every celebration we tend to have a cutesy image. So last time it was, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting what it was last time. It was the donkeys, wasn't it, last time? Yeah. So here we have the counting sheep. So we have 3 sheep images and some sentiments and a party hat and some grass. It's a set of 7 stamps, and this one again is free with a £45 spend. But what's so clever is we have matching dies again. Now these are also free with a £45 spend, and I'm really pleased that Stampin' Up have done it this way, because in the past they may have done this and lumped them both together and done it as a £90 spend for both of them, but some people might not be able to have the budget to spend £90 in one go. So if you are wanting to order in August and September, you could get the stamp set 1 month with your freebie, and then the dies the following month. So here are the dies. You get obviously the 3 sheep images, and you get the party hat, but you also get a cloud. You get a couple of clouds, a sun, a balloon, a little flag, and this fabulous fence here. It's not a cloud, Julie. Oh, actually, it is a cloud or a hedge. So it is a cloud, it's both. So yeah, so useful. And these, the cloud and the balloon, they're useful outside of the sheep stamp set as well, you know, with other things. So they're really, really handy to have. And then we have another stamp set that's free with a £45 spend, which is called Textures and Frames. And this is a photo polymer set. Very, very useful, because you can get do these little splodgy backgrounds, stripes, and look how they've made a grid there, like noughts and crosses. They've made a background here with them. You've got a circle, 2 circles. You've got this ink splat is always really, really useful for projects. So that's a really good stamp set. And then we have the Summer Shadows dies that actually match the Shaded Summer stamp set, say that fast, the Shaded Summer stamp set in the main catalogue on page 75. Let's have a little look at that, because I don't have that one. And it's this one here. So if you loved that stamp set, or if you love it but thought you don't want to cut those out, you could now get that stamp set. In fact, I'm thinking now, look at those lovely greetings. They are gorgeous. You can get that stamp set, and now you've got some dies to cut out those images that you can get free. Now, this is free with a £90 purchase, just to make you aware. And finally, for the freebies, we've got the Delicate Dahlias, and that is, again, a £90 spend. And it's a gorgeous stamp set. Unfortunately, I don't have that one. It's a set of 12, and it's a distinctive one. I've seen some gorgeous designs with this, and I'm now thinking I should get it myself. So have a look, have a search of those on the internet, and I'm sure you'll find some gorgeous makes. Okay, now, if you were to place a large order yourself, and it came to over £275, you could get this stamp set completely free, as well as your normal stamping rewards. So you'd normally get 12% in freebies, but you will also get this stamp set. Or if you wanted to host a Stampin' Up party with me, you can get this stamp set free when your party is over £275. And then last but not least is the offer to join Stampin' Up. I'm always looking to widen our team members and welcome more people to our little Stampin' Up family. So just during August and September, if you join Stampin' Up and purchase the starter kit, which is £99, you get to choose your usual £130 worth of products for your £99, but during Sale-A-Bration, Stampin' Up will also throw in a free bundle of your choice from this list here. And there are 12 different bundles that are in the mini catalogue. And I had a look, and the most expensive one is £55.75. So you can get a lot extra in your starter kit when you join during August and September. So if anyone's interested in that, please do give me a shout, and I'd love to have a little chat with you. Oh, look. There's some more of those cute penguins on the back. Always remember to look on the back because there's more cute ideas there. So thank you for listening and watching this video with me today. If you've got any questions, please just give me a shout and I'd be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.